Soufiane El Bakkali is a Moroccan male steeplechase runner. He was born on January 7, 1996 in Fes, Morocco. He has qualified to represent Morocco at the 2020 Summer Olympics, where he won the gold medal ahead of Lamecha, Girma and Kigen. He became the first non-Kenyan to win the Olympic gold event since Poland's Bronisław Malinowski won the title in Moscow in 1980. His move at the final water jump, moving past the Ethiopian duo of Lamecha Girma and Getnet well to claim the title in a time of 8 minutes 08.90 seconds. Girma finished second with a time of 8 minutes 10.38 seconds, with Kenya's Benjamin Kigen rounding off the podium in third with 8 minutes 11.45 seconds. El Bakkali came into the games as one of the favorites for a historic run in the absence of Kenya's defending champion Conseslus Kipruto. At the 2016 Rio Olympics, he improved his personal best further to 8 minutes 14.35 seconds and placed fourth. He won the silver medal at the 2017 and the bronze medal at the 2019 World Championships. At age 18, he placed fourth at the 2014 World Junior Championships in Athletics, then made his senior debut at the 2014 African Championships in Athletics, taking 10th at the 3000 meters steeplechase. He also competed in cross-country running and was 18th as a junior at the 2015 IAAF World Cross Country Championships. He gained selection for Morocco at the 2016 Summer Olympics after a personal best of 8 minutes 14.41 seconds to take fourth at the Hercules meeting.